Okay, I realize I forgot one more thing. So in this episode, we are going to talk really briefly about these contour lines that show the topographic layout. Topography is the measurement of the land, and so you have different elevations of, hills and mountains, and so that's all these lines are. They're measuring this at 10,044 feet, 10,042 feet, 10,040. So this is going down in 2 feet increments. So this is a relatively flat um, slope, kind of. So from here to here, we're looking at what, 6 feet difference in slope, and so that needs to be indicated by adding these numbers right here. So don't forget to add those numbers. I just want to give you that briefly, that this is a more complete site plan. There's other things that are involved, and if you look on page 8-17, there's line work about drainage. That's how they do it. You can put arrows, and I know if you ever submit plans to the city, they're going to want to see where the water is going to drain at. And yeah, that was really tiny. And so let's just make this 24. Still too big, so let's just make this 12. And so you can do something like this, and sorry, I'm just moving that, and letting know that the water is draining this way, away from the structure, and there should be some sort of drainage going this way as well, or down. Away from the building. Anyway, I'm not going to really get into that a whole lot, but on page 8-17, that's some of the line work as well. Again, this is a lot of, and I like to give you a little bit more, so that way you do get in the firm, you have more knowledge than just knowing how to use the software. Trying to prepare you to be work ready, and I hope you appreciate this information. This is just information I wish I would have had when I was taught the software. I had to learn a lot of this extra stuff as I went, and so anyway, that's it. That's all I got for site plan. All right, till next time.